Mana mana do 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 do. Mana mana do 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 do. Mana mana do 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 do.
All the internet is raving about new period panties. You basically don't need any period products anymore. Just put on the panty and wear it. The gusset of the panty is constructed out of 3 fabric layers. First one is the top layer that absorbs liquid but does not allow it to exit back. The second layer inside is a terry fluid absorbent layer. And the third layer is a waterproof one, that does not allow the whole fluid to wet your pants. In theory you need 2 panties per day. After using them, you simply wash them, dry them and wear again. This is a fantastic idea since the whole industry of hygienic products, including baby diapers, sucks a big deal. It is very unsustainable, creates a huge amount of non-biodegradable waste that needs to be burned. Hence, hearing about such product, I got extremely enthusiastic and thought to become an affiliate even. But first I've decided to test it. So, I've got myself a pair of heavy flow period panties and a baby diaper insert to test both. So, the good news about Pantie is that it does not allow fluid to wet your pants. The third layer is indeed waterproof. Another good news is that the middle layer is quite absorbent. But, it all does not change the weather because the top layer simply gets wet. Meaning, if you use this product as a period panty or incontinence panty, you will be running around with dry pants on the outside and wet pants on the inside. Why do it to yourself if you can simply use a menstrual cup if you want to be totally sustainable? Now, the baby diaper got soaked wet after 150 milliliters water. It may still be better than all those plastic diapers that apparently tamper with male fertility, are not eco-friendly and expensive. However, I have expected both of these products not to leak and to remain dry on the surface. More research is needed, colleagues. This fluid lock-in function is the weak link of the product. Let's see whether I can come up with a solution. If you want to know how good or how terrible your product is manufactured, and get tips for product enhancement, email me for a free tech product review. With 16 years fashion invention and manufacturing experience, I will help you to get your product impeccable.